Jefferson, and today I'm hosting the Clash of the Confectionaires, where 3 of the world's best chefs are coming to be judged by their famous critic, Marco Pizza, with our sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends, the best RPG on the market. Get it today and use promo code BAKEWELL. This is Avery Twospoon, a very good chef, and she makes really good pudding. So, why are you here today?
I love cooking.
Okay. And what are you gonna be making?
I make pudding.
Where are you from?
I love cooking.
Okay. How do you feel about your competition today?
I love cooking.
I don't even know what it is.
Cut!
So, what's your name?
My name is Ada.
Ada, what's your last name?
My last name is Cookie.
Ada Cookie?
Yes.
Okay, Ada Cookie. What's your job? What do you
Hi,
do for a living?
Canada.
Hey, Mary. Okay, what do you do for a living?
I cook
What do you cook?
sponge cake. Very delicious sponge cake.
Modest. Okay, so, are you excited or nervous?
Neither.
Then what are you?
I'm proud. But
Okay.
I feel like none of the other contestants are very, well, special. Unlike me, I'm very special. See, it's me. I'm just so special.
Cut.
I'm Jeff Jefferson, and today I'm here with Maxwell Bakewell, one of our contestants. What do you do for a living, Maxwell? Well, I cook very delicious popcorn. What about you? Well, I'm a reporter. I report for Fox News. And what are you going to be cooking today? Well, I bet you're going to be cooking popcorn. So, how do you feel about our competition? Sorry, I just had to take a bathroom break. I think one of them's probably gonna be really hard, but the other one, she's probably gonna get last place. I mean, I don't know, though. Don't wanna jinx it. Okay, I need to go to the bathroom again. Okay, we'll see you next time. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay, we're gonna be going to the kitchen for the first bake-off. Let's go. Where's Maxwell Bakewell?
We have no idea. I think he's still in the bathroom now.
Dang, did he eat Taco Bell or something?
Maybe. Probably, but I bet he
Okay.
ate McDonald's. It's
Well, one of our judges, Alex Person.
Alex Persone.
Person, I'm sorry. What are the rules of this competition?
The rules of this fine competition are very simple. No hitting, no spitting, and no use of Diet Coke. Thank you.
What about Dr. Pepper?
That's a fine line.
What's the difference?
What about Diet Dr. Pepper?
That's a little bit over that line, man.
But it's so good.
It's still illegal.
Okay.
What about just plain drinks? Like, if
Can
they're
we just
diet, then they're.
We will be accepting questions later.
Can we do chocolate milk?
Chocolate milk's perfectly fine.
Okay.
Water's fine.
Okay.
Water.
So no fighting, guys.
Yes, so.
Break it up. Okay, I'm gonna go get Maxwell Bakewell. I will be right back. Explain them the other rules. Yeah, thanks, Jeff. Oh, am I late?
No, don't worry.
So, what are the rules?
The rules are pretty simple. No hitting, no spitting, and no use of Diet Coke.
What about Dr. Pepper?
We've already covered this, man. Just
I'm sorry. like Pepsi.
But again, we.
Can we use intestines?
Of course you can use it.
It's on a case by case.
He hasn't said start yet.
Okay, I'll take this off. Get started.
Can we take out our baking stuff?
Of course.
I already have it out.
Good.
Skill issue.
Okay, when can we start?
Begin.
Okay, time to put a stick of butter in. P.S. It's actually butter cheese. Ahem. You two don't have gloves like me. Skill issue. And I am not going to get my hands dirty. And now you two have to wash them in the public bathroom. Aren't you going to make something? Why are you doing that on your chin? You don't even have something. Ew. Well, here we go. Good time to read this one. What are you still looking at? I'm still young. What are you doing? You can. What? Ah! You are horrible. I refuse to beat this ball. I'll never be alive.
Look at this chopping, okay?
Ada, how's your sponge cake coming along?
Great.
Yeah, wonderful.
Unlike you. You are horrible. You are horrible.
Ooh, look at that popcorn. See that? Gotta make sure all those flavors are in there.
Show off.
I did that on purpose to get it.
Yeah, that was great.
Okay, I think I'm done now.
I made pudding. I made it! My beautiful cake! Unlike yours. Yours! Now I shall swim a little bit more this. A little bit more this. Well, I'm grab these and now. Ta-da! Mine's better.
We're here with the famous critic Marco Pizza. Yeah, his last name is Pizza. But Maxwell Bakewell, please bring up your item. This is my amazing skinny.
That's good popcorn.
Thank you. Have a good day.
It's hard. I'm bad camera.
It's okay.
Okay, now Ada Cookie is coming in. There she is right now.
This
What is this?
is sponge cake.
How do you think he's gonna like it?
I think he's gonna think it's the best thing he's ever eaten.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
Can you try it, please? Please do that. Let me try
Horrible.
some. Really? Let me try some of that. Ew! Hey, go to security! Security!
We can cut it off right now.
For our next contestant, Avery Two Spoon! What did you make today, Avery?
I made pudding.
Hey, come back here. I'll try some, you try some. Mmm, that's good. That's good. That's pretty good. Unfortunately, Maxwell Bakewell could not make it right now. So we only have these two contestants. So for third place,
I love cooking.
we have third place. Third place. Yep. It goes third place to first place. It was utterly horrible. Just a stupid idea. Never make that again.
You are a horrible baker.
You
You're
are
a
an
horrible
idiot
baker.
sandwich.
You're a horrible baker. You're a horrible baker.
Security.
Action.
And for our
I made
second
pudding.
place, we have the Skinny Pop. The handsome devil out there, wherever you are, good job. And for first place, we have Avery Two Spoon. What do you got to say for yourself?
I made pudding.